Hello students, welcome back. So now we are going to be talking about the window function, row number and dense rank. So let's create a table. So in this case, I'm creating a table employees right here. Before I create the table, I'm dropping the previous table employees. So in case if you already have this employee table, go ahead, drop that. You can either delete that or you can just run this statement that's going to drop your table. Okay, so employee ID, it has name column, it has a department, salary and joining date column. Also, I'm inserting some records into the employee. And when I'm inserting the record, I'm creating some duplicate entries. So this is my duplicate right here, and these two entries right here are duplicates. So I insert the records, and then I print out I run this statement. I just run, just to see what the content of the table is. And this is the content of your table. You have employee ID, name, department, salary, joining date. You can see that. You have duplicate right there, 70,000, that's another duplicate. Then you have 62,000, that would be this and this. So you have duplicate entries. Great. Okay, so row number, what it does, it assigns a unique sequential number to each row. And what it does, another thing it does is that it does not allow any tie. So even if your salary is same. So for example, let's say I run this statement, select name, department, salary, and I say row number, and I call this window function row number over order by salary descending as row number. That would give you this right here. And now what's going to happen? It's going to put these numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 based on the salary. So even if two people have the same salary, for example, take a look at this Khan and Samir. They both have the same salary, 75,000, 75,000. So still, in spite of that, it will still assign two different unique numbers to them, 2 and 3. Same thing with these two guys. Even Hidi, they both have 70,000 salary. They'll get 5 and 6. So each one of them will get its own unique number. That's what happens with your row number. Okay, let's say you want to do department wise ranking example. So in this case, let's say you want to do row number per department. So select name, department, salary, row number over. And in this case, I'm doing partition by department. So if you look at the previous one, there was no partition by. Now I'm just adding a partition by. Okay, from employees, and then when you run this, it's going to create for each department. So you have finance department, you have HR department, and you have IT department. So in finance department, these two people, they get 1 2 3 right here. So this is 1 2 3 for the finance. Then you get HR department. It's going to start again from 1 2 3 right here. And then you have IT department. IT department will get 1 2 3 4. So this is your row number per department. Now let's take a look at the dense rank. Here, this gives the same rank to equal values, and it does not skip any ranking numbers. So suppose you have select name, department, salary, and in this case, I'm calling the window function dense rank over, and I'm ordering by salary in descending order, and I'm creating this column called dense rank. Okay, so this is my output is going to be. You can see the name, department, salary, dense rank, and now what happens is that if two people I have the same salary, it's going to give the same number. For example, look at this Khan and Samir. They both have exactly same salary, so they're going to get 2 and 2. For Let's take a look at another one, this one right here. You have finance, Eve and Hidi. They both have the same salary, so they get 4 and 4. So you have 1, you get 2 3, then 4, and this also 4, then 5, and then 6 and 6. So these two get 6 because they have the same salary. Okay, so this is your dense rank. Now, let's do the dense rank per department. So this is pretty much the same as the previous one. If you look at this query, these two queries are pretty much similar, except the difference is I'm using partition by department now. So in this case, when you run this, you can see that it's going to do finance together. Okay, it's going to do HR together. It's going to do IT together. So in your finance, you have 1 1 2 right there. Okay, and the reason these two are 1 1 is because they both have the same salary. Then this is your HR department. Again, these two have 1 1. That's because both of them have the same salary. Then you have 1 2 2 3 right here. This one has 2 and 2 because 75,000, 75,000, same salary.